Looking for a place to call home that offers both comfort and style? Presenting Huntington Meadows Apartment, the place you've been looking for in Arlington, Texas. Live at the stylish owned and two-bedroom apartments that are fully furnished with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, a cozy bed, and plenty of storage space. Plus, each home comes equipped with an in-unit washer and dryer and a private patio perfect for relaxing after a long day. With air conditioning to keep you cool on hot summer days, you're guaranteed to find the perfect lifestyle you've been dreaming of. Experience top-notch amenities like luxurious swimming pool, hot tub, business center, cozy outdoor fireplace, state-of-the-art fitness center, along with complimentary Wi-Fi in common areas. Plus, with a 24-hour emergency maintenance team and on-site management, you can rest assured that any issues will be promptly taken care of. Staying here means you're just minutes drive away to a number of campuses, including the University of Texas, which is only 11 minutes away, and Arlington Baptist University, which is just 15 minutes away. On weekends, indulge in the vibrant energy of the city and visit iconic landmarks like the A&T Stadium, Six Flags Over Texas, and Hurricane Harbor. And for a touch of culture, Arlington Museum of Art is a must-visit. Enjoy the convenience of having everything you need right at home with Huntington Meadows Apartment Homes. Don't miss out on this opportunity and book your new room on amberstudent.com today.